Meitei na ST san base sisu first priority oi thumagani akoi local party na
koina amangdagi kanaduna sulakjaba koina reorganize tawbun mitu da sokoi khongdok sadiwa or main first priority will be koigi one of the indigenous community oi bakoi Manipur gi Meitei na scheduled tribe sangadabani haibagi agenda da mainly action jaba oina honorable governor gi changjabani kamaina si akoi gi restore togadagi haibadi akoi Meitei haibasidi hanadagi pre independence mamangdagi dum akoi Meitei se tribe ne haibagi akoi gi proof on record ta authorized by technical record gi akoi Meitei se tribe ne haibagi proof loi lerabani.
And last many years Meitei community was demanding status of scheduled tribe, and my party and I am also supporting to give the status to Meitei community as a scheduled tribe. Support to restore Meitei ST status.